Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a simple trick that you can use within Google Chrome if you accidentally close your Google Chrome application or the Google Chrome window. So let's say you're inside Google Chrome, guys, and you have a lot of different tabs here open up just like myself. And as you can see, I have, I don't know how many tabs, quite a lot, right? So let's say I accidentally close it. And as you can see here, my Google Chrome is now closed. So how do I go about getting back all of those tabs open? Very easy. Open up Google Chrome once again. As you can see, I have multiple accounts, but I'm going to open up that account where I close those tabs. So select that account, and as you can see, I have the Google Chrome open, right? So in your case, you might not have multiple accounts. You might just have just the one Google Chrome. So you want to open Google Chrome. Then all you have to do, just simply go ahead and press Ctrl, Shift, and T on your keyboard. So Ctrl, Shift, and T, and look at that. Seconds, it just opened up all of those tabs back again. So if you don't know this trick, guys, Ctrl Shift T, then you might think that, okay, I close my Google Chrome, let me click the three that's on the uppermost right hand side, let's go to history and let's restore all of those history. But you don't need that, right? Because you have Ctrl Shift T that will easily open up back all of those closed tabs for you. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.